Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh shit! Damn! I caught it too. Caught it on my dash cam, dude. What the fuck is going on? Oh shit, if the tip is petty, I'm gonna eat your spaghetti. Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh shit! Damn! I caught it too. Caught it on my dash cam, dude. What the fuck is going on? Oh shit. Oh man, what the fuck, dude? Dude fucking run a red light. The red light, red car ran a red light, man. What a dummy. What a... Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh shit! Damn! I caught it too. Caught it on my dash cam, dude. What the fuck is going on? Oh. Do I like football? Yeah, I like football. I like soccer, basketball. Denver Biscuit. I actually never been there. You're talking about the Denver Biscuit Company?
In half a mile, turn left onto West 64th Avenue.
Ah, here comes a spammer. Look at the Bud Light spammer. Bye bye, Bud Light. Go drink some Bud Light. Bud Light, dude. Go drink some Bud Light, bro. Go drink some Bud Light, my dude. Bunch of buffoon, huh? These Bud Light buffoons. Unreal, dude. Alright, I'll check it out. These Bud Light buffoons, huh? Bud Light buffoon. Y'all too much, bro. Y'all too much.
At the light, turn left onto West 64th Avenue.
You sure? Talk about it. These Bud Light buffoons. What's up, T-Bone? I don't know where these guys get their handles from, dude. You want a tip, nada? I'm gonna sip your Baja. Shit, if the tip is petty, I'm gonna eat your spaghetti. Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh shit! Damn! I caught it too. Caught it on my dash cam, dude. What the fuck is going on? Oh shit. Oh man, what the fuck, dude? Dude fucking run a red light. A red light, red car will run a red light, man. What a dummy. What a dummy, bro. Oh shit. What a dum-dum. Fool ran a red light. Boom. Is that Super Geek Trooper? Is that you running that red light, Super Geek Trooper? You can't be doing that, bro. Holy moly. That is too much. What a dummy, man. Wonder what the hell that guy was doing. Can't make this up, man. Oh shit, that fool about to hit me. Buffoon, dude. That shit's been red for 2 minutes. Motherfucker running like it's nothing. What a dummy. What a dummy, bro. Got it all on my dash cam. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and upload that shit. Denver dumb drivers. Denver dumb drivers. Denver dumb drivers, episode 2, huh? Calling the strong arm. That's more money for the strong arm right there. What a buffoon, dude. Los Cajitos, vámonos, amigos. You guys see that? Was that you, Super Geek Trooper? I think that was Super Geek Trooper, bro. Gotta learn how to drive, bro. They didn't even open that for that long. Texas again. Damn, lots of Texas over here, man. Texas and Florida. What are we doing here? We're talking about the gig economy. That's what we're doing. So if you're a gig worker, put down your numbers. Put down your earnings. Your earnings for today, for last week, so on and so on. Put down your tax. Did you have to pay back taxes? Did you get a refund? Stuff like that. Man, what's up with all this construction, dude? What? What are you talking about, Mohammed? What up, App Rides? Rozilla? Therapy? Your girl might be in my car, Therapy. Is that your girl in the trunk, bro? Bunch of buffoons here lately, huh? Man, I gotta bust out that buffoon be gone. I haven't filled up that buffoon be gone in a minute, dude. Damn, freaking construction, man. I'm gonna abandon this mission, dude. Construction.
Head northeast. In a quarter mile, merge onto I-76 East.